Hello students, let us learn the topic polynomials. All of you know what is a polynomial, but here we will learn some terms related to polynomials. What is the definition of a polynomial? Polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only in the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer exponents of variables. If in a polynomial the exponent of variable will be other than non-negative integers, that will not termed as polynomial. Examples of polynomials. Here first minus 3 by 7x plus 2. Here power of the variable x is 1. Root 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Here the variable is x and the powers are 2 and 1 respectively. In the third case, the variable is x and the powers are 3, 2 and 1. So these are the examples of polynomials. The variables has the exponents should be non-negative integers. What are non-polynomials? Here, for example, 1 by x plus 5. The variable is x and the power of x is minus 1 here. So this is not a polynomial. In the second case, root x plus y to the power 3 by 2 minus 3. Here two variables are there, x and y. The power of x is 1 by 2 and the power of y is 3 by 2. So this is not a polynomial. 2x plus 1 by y minus 10. Here also the power of y is minus 1. So this is not a polynomial. Then what are the terms and coefficients of a polynomial? Here I am taking an example, 6x cube minus 3x square plus 13x plus 8. This is an example of a polynomial with 4 terms. The terms are 6x cube minus 3x square plus 13x plus 8. Each term has a coefficient. The coefficient of x cube is 6. Coefficient of x square is minus 3. Coefficient of x is 13. 8 is a constant term or it is the coefficient of x to the power 0. What is a constant polynomial? 6, minus 3, 13, 8, any number also called as polynomials. And these are termed as constant polynomials. Then zero polynomial. 0. The number 0 is also a polynomial. It is termed as zero polynomial. What do you mean by degree of a polynomial? If p of x is a polynomial of x, then the highest power of x in p of x is called the degree of the polynomial. For example, 4x plus 2 is a polynomial of variable x. Here the power of x is 1. So this is a polynomial of degree 1. Then 2y square plus 7y plus 8. This is a polynomial of variable y. Then the highest power of y is 2 here. So this is a polynomial of degree 2. Then what is a linear polynomial? The polynomial having degree 1 is called as linear polynomial. General form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. For example, 2x minus 3, 3 by 7y plus 9 etc., where the power of the variable is 1. Highest power of the variable should be 1. Then quadratic polynomial. The polynomial having degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. General form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. If a will be equal to 0, then there will be no term containing x square in that polynomial, and that polynomial will not be termed as quadratic. So examples of quadratic polynomial are like this. Cubic polynomial. The polynomial having degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. General form of a cubic polynomial: ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Two examples are there: 5x cube plus 2x square minus 12x minus 9, and y cube plus root 3y square minus 9y minus 4. What is the general form of a polynomial? an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 up to plus a2 x square plus a1x plus a0. This is a polynomial having variable x, and the degree of this polynomial is n. And an minus 1, a2, a0, a1, these are all coefficients. Then what is 0 of a polynomial? It is defined as any real value of x for which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. A real number k is a 0 of a polynomial p of x if p of k is equal to 0. For linear polynomial, for example, ax plus b is equal to 0. So p of k is equal to ak plus b is equal to 0. So this implies k is equal to minus b by a. Then how to find the 0 of a polynomial? For example, p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Hence p of x is equal to 0. So this implies 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Some examples: verify whether 2 and 0 are the 0 of the polynomials p of x is equal to x square minus 2x. To verify this, we have to find out p2, p of 2 and p of 0. Whether they will be 0, then these are the zeros. So p of 2 we have found this is equal to 0, and also p of 0 became 0. So this implies both 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 2x. What are the important points you have to remember? The degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. The degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. A 0 of a polynomial need to be 0. 0 may be a 0 of a polynomial. Every linear polynomial has one and only one 0. A polynomial can have more than one 0. So you have to remember all these. So these are all about different terms related to polynomials. Hope this will be useful for you to solve other problems related to polynomials. Thank you.